about 30 cents a gallon higher in Ohio than South Carolina.
Oh.
That's how you pump gas. Breakfast of champions. This is very rare that we do fast food. How many times a year do we do fast food? Handful of times. You know, if you keep up this physique, you really can't have breakfasts like this often. But we're doing it today. You want a knife? We're going to be cutting some in half.
Yeah, unless you got one in here.
I don't have a knife in here, I don't think.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, Ethan.
Oh, that's for Ellen.
I know, just take it, please. Thank you.
I have my reasons. It's too overpowering. Me a biscuit. Biscuit.
This is what you have to do when you're in the middle of Ohio. So, let's see.
Ethan.
Grand Canyon or Walmart in Ohio. Look how nice that would go with our camper.
How about you two unload it?
It's the bottom of the rock. Okay, we just stocked up with a few goodies here at the Walmart. We're doing a barbecue tomorrow and I'm gonna do buffalo turds. So, special day today. This ice chest has, Cindy, how long has this ice chest been with us?
Oh, goodness, I think I've known you, right?
Before.
Yeah.
It was yours.
Yeah.
It was Cindy's before she knew me, which is over 20 years we've been using this little ice chest, and the handle just broke, and so today we are tossing the ice chest and bought a new one. We were gonna have a ceremony, but I don't see a trash can big enough that we can throw it in. We'll have to have a ceremony later. So we're in north central Ohio right now, and wanted to comment about the difference between driving on the interstate versus these state and county roads, and this is really enjoyable to be driving through the countryside and really getting to see Ohio compared to driving on the interstate. So there is a lot to be said for it. However, we were on roads for quite a while where we were hitting a stop sign every 2 or 3 miles. We were hitting stop signs, and it really slows you down. So it's a trade-off, time versus getting to see the country. And when you're traveling with an RV, I guess your purpose really should be to see the country as much as you can. So we're about an hour and 15 from our destination, and we're looking forward to seeing family. They're already teasing us with talk about getting on the boat and on the lake and barbecuing and pizza. And we love our family, we love our friends, we are blessed that they want to see us, and we understand that they need to be prepared for us showing up. So they want to know, you know, should we have lunch ready? Should we, what day should we take off work? And all these questions. And we really owe them an answer. But it's difficult when you're traveling. Hold on, I'm crossing a railroad track here. We're traveling through, and as we see things. We want to be able to stop at them. We really feel bad that we can't give them those answers.
I feel guilty.
Feel guilty. Hold
And
on.
I know we're going to enjoy spending time with them. We won't want to leave.
Yeah, you're right, we won't. This is the highest red light per capita ratio of any town in the United States.
With a big building.
We are in Bryan, Ohio, and once again racing to get to a factory tour. This is the home of
Dum Dum suckers.
the Dum Dum candies. The last tour takes off in 8 minutes, and we are 1 minute and 40 seconds away. However, there are 14 and a half red lights between here and the next block. So we'll see if we get there.
2 miles, turn left on West Mulberry Street.
I think we can.
It's the next light, isn't it? The last light of the...
The last of the
Very
14 and a half lights.
Of course.
Alright. Take a left here. Guys, you can't get this on any other YouTube channel.
West Mulberry Street.
We are bringing you right to the heart of the cheapest candy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, sorry, old
Sorry.
lady. We're trying to get on the tour. 2 more blocks and it's on the right. What do you think? You think Dum Dum Candies is in a huge building, or is it in a... Oh, look at it.
Spangler Shipping and Receiving.
That's a shipping code. Here's the tours. Big sign up there. Tour the Dum Dum Factory.
Turn right on North Portland Street.
Go up there.
But where do there's the tour entrance. Well, they made it easier for you than Airstream does. However, the Airstream tour was free, and this tour is going to be about $16 for us.
Trying to. Well, I'm waiting for the machine anyway. So, yeah, I see. That's fine.
2:45. We made it.
Oh.
So we got
Can you
15
sign
minutes.
this copy of this?
So easy, the tickets are just souvenirs. You don't need to hand
Oh,
them in or
okay.
anything.
Thanks.
Your card.
Wow. The official Dum Dum tickets.
And then you got the back money.
Thank you. The history of Spangler, I guess, is the name of the company. Owen?
Huh?
What do you think?
Good. Here I got free stuff. Like,
Is it fresher from the factory than it is from the store?
most
Can
likely.
Can you taste the difference?
Yeah.
Really? Do you need a hairnet if you don't have hair? Is the hairnet optional for me?
That no. You get this one too.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
okay. Let's see. Folks, we are trying to keep your Dum Dums contaminant free. These do taste fresher than the ones that have sat in my desk for 3 years.
Do they really?
They do.
Wow, I need to get one then.
Is there a life expectancy of a Dum Dum?
They usually last 2 years.
So boys, what was your impression of the Spangler Candy Factory?
It's
I
no
liked
Charlie's Chocolate Factory, but it'll do.
Shoot that.
It was actually pretty good though, so.
Yeah.
What was the neat part about it?
I don't know, just seeing where everything comes from.
To know that I'm eating flavored sugar corn syrup.
I think we're starting to have a theme to this year's trip. Manufacturing.
Yep. Yep.
I don't know what other plants we're going to tour. Maybe Ford.
Well,
Ford might be coming up.
Here's the thing. We're heading to the north where all that, I guess, all began, right?
All the production. We did not plan on the Spangler Candy Factory, but that's where we ended up. So I had to text our cousins and let them know we're behind schedule again. So I am tasting an Oreo flavored candy cane. Not so sure about it. It does taste like Oreos. Also, while we were there, we picked up a little something to bring to our host tonight. These are the famous circus peanuts. Can anybody guess what? Well, first of all, how many of us have even had one? I couldn't remember where I'd had one. But as the lady said, all the Cracker Barrels sell these. If you've ever had one and you're not sure if you can remember what flavor it was, she said it's shaped like a peanut, it's colored like an orange, but flavored like a...
What is it?
Answer in the comments below.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that's a good one, Owen.
Yeah.
We're not going to tell you. We're going to make you wait, but take a guess in the comments below. We'll all be on a sugar high tonight. We stopped for the obligatory picture at the sign. Right there. Welcome to Michigan. Who are you filming?
Filming you filming.
I'm filming you filming.
Filming me filming.